Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you fix Google AI Studio voice generator problem. To fix the Google AI Studio voice generation problem, where the audio output is silent or muted, start by understanding that this is often caused by a browser cache or cookie conflict, affecting how the voice playback is loaded. First, open Google AI Studio in your browser, then click the sign information or lock icon near the address bar to access site settings where you will find options for cookies and site data. From there, select the option to view and delete stored data for that specific site and remove both cookies and cache site data related to the Google AI Studio. After clearing the data, refresh or reload the page completely so the sessions resets properly, and you may be prompted to sign in again before continuing. Once you log back in, try generating the voice again, as the reset usually restores proper audio playback and fixes the mute issue caused by corrupted session data or browser storage conflicts. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.